In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a digital gift card on Amazon. If you want a fast, reliable gift that lands directly in someone's inbox or phone, an Amazon e-gift card is a great choice. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can complete your purchase with confidence. Start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type Amazon e-gift card and press Enter. From the results, open the official Amazon website for your region. Make sure you're on the real site by checking the web address and looking for a secure connection indicator in your browser. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and keeps your information safe. Once you're on Amazon, go to the gift cards section. On the gift cards page, choose the e-gift card option with email delivery. This option sends a digital code to the recipient without any shipping, which makes it instant and convenient. Next, choose the design and amount. You'll see a variety of designs, like birthday, celebrations, or simple styles. Pick whichever fits the occasion. Then enter the amount you want to give. You can usually select a preset amount or type a custom value within the available range, typically from a few dollars up to several thousand. When you're happy with your selection, click Add to Cart. Now enter the recipient details. Provide the recipient's email address or mobile phone number, depending on how you want the gift delivered. Add your name so they know who sent it. Take a moment to double-check for typos. Correct contact information ensures the gift arrives instantly and to the right person. Set your delivery timing. You can send it now for immediate delivery or schedule a specific date if you want it to arrive on a birthday, holiday, or another special occasion. If you schedule it, be mindful of time zones so it lands when you expect. When everything looks good, proceed to checkout by clicking Buy Now or Checkout. At this point, sign into your Amazon account or continue as a guest if that option is available in your region. For payment, enter your credit or debit card details, or choose PayPal if it's supported. Review your order one last time, confirm the amount and delivery details, and click Place your order. That's it. Your digital gift card will be processed and delivered to the recipient based on your selections, and you'll receive a confirmation for your records.